Golf performance has changed forever with the launch of Club Champion's AI Fitter Copilot, built with the talent of Inspire11. Here's an exclusive look at how machine learning works alongside experts to provide accurate club recommendations in record time, with equivalent expertise of over 300 top fitters. Over the years, Club Champion has helped thousands of golfers play to their absolute potential. Now with the power of AI, the fitting process is even smarter and faster. When you step in for a fitting, TrackMan observes every detail of your swing and records the data. Club Champion AI Fitter Copilot synthesizes that information alongside data from millions of other users and provides club recommendations to the fitter. All this is done 28% faster than an average fitting, which means you spend less time swinging in the bay and more time swinging your best on the course. With the leading fitters at Club Champion and the AI trailblazers at Inspire11, there's a revolutionary new way to enhance your game. Discover the transformative power of artificial intelligence with Inspire11 and unlock its potential to drive your next innovation.